Hello everyone. Today I will explain you my first Python project. It is a AI virtual assistant. In this project I will use PyCharm ID. So I will open my PyCharm. So here you can see the code is written. So first I will run my code.
Good afternoon, Devansh. I am Iris. How can I help you? Please tell me.
What is the time?
What is the time? Sir, the time is 16 hours 53 minutes and 4 seconds.
Open YouTube.
Open YouTube.
So here you can see when I said open YouTube. So Iris open a YouTube tab for me. So now I will cancel it. Open
So here you can see when I said open YouTube, open my YouTube app.
Wikipedia about Virat Kohli.
Wikipedia about Virat Kohli. Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Virat Kohli, Hindustani, Rockali, listen, born November 5, 1988, is an Indian cricketer and the current captain of the India national team. A right-handed top-order batsman, Kohli is regarded as one of the best contemporary batsmen in the world.
Wikipedia about Narendra Modi.
Wikipedia about Narendra Modi. Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Narendra De Modardas Modi, Gujarati, Narendra DS Modi, listen, born September 17, 1950, is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament for Varanasi.
Quit.
Quit.
So here you can see when I quit the program will end. So let's I will explain my code. So here are many kinds of Python modules are import. First PyTTX3. So a Python library that will help us to convert text to speech. So here I will assign a variable, name it engine and equal to init. Sapify is a Microsoft speech AI. So here you can see the voice of the female voice. If you want to male voice, so you can choose 0 ID. And next we write a most important function is speak. Speak function to take a audio as a argument and def wish me. Wish me function is coming from the date and time module, and the most important function is take command function. It do nothing but this is coming from speech recognition as SR. So it when I said some voice to voice from microphone, it converted to into string, and then I will write a try except exception because some error of for noising, and then I will write the main function. Here I will use while true. While true means it continuously ran when I said till I said quit the program. So here I will write a logic for the searching. So if Wikipedia inquiry, so in this I will use a Wikipedia module, and secondly it is a quit function for simply quit. So opening YouTube tab, so I will write a browser code, import browsing, and that is my whole program. So thank you for listening me.